let's learn how you can set up your Viber dating profile. So let us open our Viber application. You'll have to go to your profile and then click on edit profile. And here it will open edit profile options and settings. So you can select everything from changing photos to gender interest. And you can just set if you're looking for a relationship or casual fun or just friends. You can select your bio, place you work in, religion, education, kids. Do you work out or not? Do you live with family or alone or share with roommates? You can also add if you're smoking or drinking, your zodiac sign, or if you like the pets. To change any of these settings, for example, on drinking, you can just click on add and select the option you want that describes you, and then just click on this check icon. As you can see, it has changed, and to save this, just click on done. Now it will say that it's updating your profile, and after it finishes with loading, profile will be saved. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.